Screw Twitter. Tumblr's back in, baby. So as you probably know, people have been jumping ship with Twitter. Everyone's getting off the platform and they're trying to find new platforms to join. A lot of people have been joining Tumblr, and I think, what was it, November 17th or something like that? Tumblr crashed because there were so many new users. And I thought, hey, I should join Tumblr. I've never had a Twitter. Twitter terrified me. I was way too young for Tumblr. When it came out, I was not allowed to have any sort of social media around that time. I was probably between the ages of like 11 and 14 when Tumblr was like a really big thing. And the only social media I was allowed to have was Pinterest. And people would always post Tumblr posts onto Pinterest, and I love them. So I thought today, why don't we live out my 2014 Tumblr dreams and make a Tumblr account? I think it was like 4 years ago. I went onto Tumblr just to kind of see what it was about. And the first thing I saw was a photo. Well, I actually don't think I can say on YouTube what I saw. It was not appropriate. That's all I'll say. Ooh, blog name. What should people call you? Olivia Lee with 3 E's. All right, so it's asking me what topics I'm into. Oh my gosh, Miraculous Ladybug. I love that show. There's so much here. It's insane. So I'm gonna try to go through all of these, select a ton. I will be back. So I took a little bit of a break. I'm going to an interview. That's why I'm dressed in all black. I set up my profile like a little bit. It wasn't anything like crazy though. Like I put a banner photo and like my profile photo in. So I think my whole idea is that I want to kind of make a Tumblr that's all about romanticizing your life, being the main character, that sort of stuff, similar to my YouTube. Ooh, I got 1 like. Oh wait, no, that's the like I did. Never mind. I found someone's post for ideas of how to romanticize your life. So I reposted it and added a comment for another idea. Okay, so now I need to figure out hashtags. I don't know what hashtags are. Oh, here we go, romanticize your life. This isn't my favorite thing I wrote. I literally wrote it in like a minute, but we'll just post it to have something up on my Tumblr board thing. This is so fun. I would have adored this when I was like 14. I see why this was popular. Need to figure out what the really like niche hashtags are, because the ones I'm typing in are like very, very broad, and I want to figure out like what like the smaller ones within that, like the little subcategories of these are. Oh, I can post my YouTube videos on here. Content creator. I would love to like find like a fun little hashtag that. Okay, and already we have somehow found the inappropriate side of this. Okay, I have an interview to get to, so I will see you later. Hello, back from my interview. Back to Tumblr. I want to just kind of like explore the site a little bit more. I did a few posts, so maybe we can see how those are. Ooh, I have 3 little lightning bolts up here. I don't know what that means. Also, I just want to point out, I love this layout. I love the icons, everything about just like the user experience here. 10 out of 10. I usually don't see desktop websites for social medias this good. See, I don't know when someone likes your stuff or when someone reblogs, if that means I need to like do that back to them. Like, obviously I don't want to do like share for share or anything like that because those never work, but I just don't really know Tumblr etiquette, I guess. So when I reblog, I don't know if I can just reblog without adding anything of my own. Well, like I know you like technically you can, like Tumblr allows you to, but I don't know like Tumblr etiquette. Like I don't just kind of want to like steal someone else's stuff without putting in like my own opinion, 2 cents, comment, whatever. I'm really hoping like this isn't like, you know, on like Twitter or somewhere where you say or TikTok. We're gonna take TikTok. When you make any sort of claim on TikTok, you could say, I'm having a nice day. Someone will say, today's the worst day ever. How dare you say that? Da, 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 da. Like somehow people always find a way to get offended. They have to go out of their way to get offended, but they find a way. I'm really hoping Tumblr isn't like that. I'm really hoping everyone here is pretty like nice. Might be a good time to talk about the uprising of Tumblr again and also what that means. Obviously we know that big butts are out and heroin chic body types are back in. if you even follow that sort of stuff. So I think obviously with the rise of Tumblr, we're also seeing the rise of like 2014. That's coming back in, like that whole vibe, I guess, which had its perks. I was on the good side of that on Pinterest. I didn't see too much of like the eating disorder stuff or any sort of that negative stuff. I didn't see that on Pinterest. I saw more of the really good side. So I think it could be like a really good thing, but also I would hate for it all to get back to the place of we need to have a thigh gap. Hi, it is the next day and I spent some time last night like trying to find more people to follow, more tags to follow, stuff to reblog, and I did that a little bit this morning too. So we're just gonna hop on here and see, do I have any followers, any sort of comments, any mentions, anything like that? I have two little lightning things over here. I don't know what, it's probably notifications. I have 2 notifications. Oh, I got a follow. Oh, I'm following them. So we can look at my analytics over here. We saw that I got like 4 likes on, or 4 notes. Why is everything called a note? Like, I think any sort of interaction you have with a post is a note, but each of them are different. I don't really get that. So I thought I would show you what my account is looking like right now. Also, this is so fun. I genuinely really like Tumblr. Everyone seems so friendly. It just seems very welcoming and nice. It's not like TikTok where everyone's getting offended. It's not as hostile as Twitter. It's a little bit more community focused than Pinterest is. Oh, I know what I should post. So Spotify Wrapped came out today and literally all of my top songs are from the Arctic Monkeys. So I think I should post that screenshot. Oh my gosh, okay, so I just went through my phone and I found a lot of photos that I really like that I think would fit with my theme well. So I really like this photo. I posted it on my Instagram. It would be fun to post on here every day. I think it'd be like more fun for me, mostly because I don't know anyone on Tumblr. And that's always my favorite, when I'm on a social media and I don't know anyone on there, which kind of seems odd because you think you'd want to like connect with your friends and stuff, but like just posting just so I could post is like really fun. I wish I had Tumblr back in 2014. It was probably a good thing I didn't. I would have absolutely adored this site. This would have been my everything back then. It might be my everything now though too, because I'm really enjoying it so far. If you want to follow me on Tumblr, I'll leave the link in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.